At the corner of the road, I looked up at the nameplate. Marconi Street, it said. I had been at number 46. The address was correct. But now I did not want to remember it anymore. Now, when she walked down on the road at the corner, she saw a nameplate, Marconi Street. That means she had come to the right street and she had been to the number 46 house. The address was correct. She had remembered what her mother had told her. But now I did not want to remember it anymore. Now she did not want to remember it anymore. I wouldn't go back there because the objects that are linked in your memory with the familiar life of former times instantly lose their value when severed from them. Now, she did not want to go back again to the same house because when the objects which are related to you, which are part of your life, when they are separated from your familiar life, you lose interest in them. You lose a sense of belonging because when they are in their actual place, only then you have attachment to them. You feel that those things belong to you. But once they are taken by someone else or they are being used, like her things were being used by the darlings, you lose the sense of belonging in them. You see them again in strange surroundings. Now, if you see your things in strange surroundings, you cannot think of those things as your own. You lose the value, the sense of belonging those things have for you. And what should I have done with them in a small rented room where the shreds of black out blackout paper still hung along the windows, and no more than a handful of cutlery fitted in the narrow table drawer? Besides this, the author thinks that what she could have done with all those things, because she was living in a very small rented room which had blackout papers. That is, there are blackouts conducted during wars. People put black papers on the windows so that light does not show outside during war times. So those papers were still hanging on the windows there, bits of those papers. So she did not have even enough place to keep the cutlery. She had a very narrow table, a narrow drawer in that. So in that, she could not keep all the cutlery that belonged to her mother. I resolved to forget the address. So she decided to forget the address only. Of all the things I had to forget, that would be the easiest because the things were so many. So instead of forgetting the things, it would be better for her if she forgot the address itself. By forgetting the address itself, she will forget the meaning thereby all the things that were being used by the darlings.